Divide 507 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 10 is 50. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 7 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So now we have 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 507 divided by 5 is 101 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.